Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what could very well be the best pellet smoker in its class. The Brisk Zelos-450 electric wood pellet smoker grill. With an impressive 700 square inch footprint when you factor in accessories and space optimization, this AI-powered grill might just redefine how you barbecue. Let's dive in. The Zelos-450 is not your average backyard grill. It's built for smart, seamless grilling with serious capability packed into a compact 450 square inch cooking area. Don't let the number fool you. This is enough space to handle 15 burgers or 2 full racks of ribs, easily feeding a family or a small gathering. At just over 70 pounds, it's built with durability in mind, wrapped in weather-resistant stainless steel and supported by a wide base for stability. But what really makes the Zelos-450 stand out is the Vera AI, a built-in smart assistant that transforms how you cook. This isn't just timer management. Vera uses natural language processing to respond to your voice or text commands. Want to smoke brisket low and slow for 6 hours? Vera will handle it. Want a seared steak in under 15 minutes? Vera adapts instantly, managing heat and cook time without constant supervision. The tech doesn't stop there. With its industrial-grade PID controller, the Zelos-450 keeps your temperatures consistent from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That means no wild fluctuations, no guesswork, just consistent, even cooking whether you're smoking, grilling, baking, roasting, searing, or even braising. And yes, it's a true 7-in-1 cooker. It replaces multiple appliances, all while infusing your food with that signature smoky flavor that only 100% natural wood pellets can provide. The built-in Wi-Fi capability means you don't even have to be standing next to the grill. With the companion app, you can monitor internal meat temperatures via the included meat probe, adjust settings, and get real-time alerts straight to your phone. It's tailor-made for busy people who still want that perfect barbecue result. Now, no product is perfect. While the Zelos-450 excels in tech and performance, it does lack a few quality-of-life features found in higher-end models. There's no high-res LCD screen, no quick ash cleanout, no grease trap, and no caster wheels for easy movement. So while it nails the grilling experience, you may find cleanup a bit more manual. But here's the takeaway. If you're after a future-forward grilling machine that pairs AI smarts with genuine flavor, the Brisk Zelos-450 is a fantastic choice. It's intelligent, compact, and does exactly what it promises. Delivers a hands-free, mouth-watering barbecue experience with every cook. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the breakdown or found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell, so you don't miss future reviews on the latest in grilling and smart home tech. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.